Hello everyone, welcome back to new class. Now we will continue our chapter before the match. Okay, so we have done till here. Okay, Swaminathan became desperate. Became desperate meaning is here tried something when everything else failed. Now Swaminathan became desperate. Okay, he tried something else and pursued him. Pursued means followed or chased someone. Now he followed his teacher, he followed his drill master and said, Sir, I am terrible state of health, I can't attend drill today. Now he said to his drill master that, Sir, I am not feeling well, I can't attend drill today. I shall die if I do. See, I am not feeling really well. If I attend any drill, if I do any form of exercise, so I will die. Okay. Now drill master had come to the last boy, and yet Swaminathan was dodging him. Now drill master, obviously he was like not listening to him properly. He was like, oh, he is making excuse. He turned round on Swaminathan, annoyed. What is the matter with you? Now he was turned around again and asked Swaminathan that what is wrong with you? What do you want? Sir, the whole of last night I was delirious. Now Swaminathan said, last night I was delirious. Delirious meaning you can see a state of mind in which one cannot think or speak clearly, unusually caused by fever. See, when you have fever, so you feel so weak, you can't speak properly. All right. So he said to his drill master that I was delirious. The drill master was stunned by this piece of news. You were delirious. Now drill master was very shocked. Stunned means he was surprised. He was shocked. That really you were delirious, he asked. Now Swaminathan said, I didn't sleep a wink last night. Now Swaminathan said, I did not sleep last night at all. I was delirious. Our doctor said so. He was okay. Now I was delirious. Just please. He was like, please believe me. Doctor said, I'm not saying that I am feeling delirious. My doctor said. He was asked me not to attend drill for a week to come. Now my doctor said that I don't have to attend any drill for a week because I am not feeling well. Get out, boy. I don't believe a word. Get out. Now drill master was very angry. He was like, he's making some excuse to get out of this drill practice. So he said, just I don't believe you. What are you saying? Just get out of here. Swami ran out of school towards the practice field. Now Swami just straight went to this practice field, went to this cricket practice field. Everybody was happy to see him so early. Now when everybody sees him, so they were very happy. Rajam jumped with joy because Rajam, obviously he was the captain of the team, so he was very happy to see Swaminathan for practice. The only thing Swami was afraid of was that the drill teacher would spy him out on the field. Now Swaminathan, because obviously he lied, so he was like, maybe if suddenly if drill master appears here, so what will I do? He was very worried. So the next morning he hatched a plan. Now hatched a plan means came with a plan, means he got another idea. He hatched a plan to be free all the evenings of the week. Now he had a plan that he was like, okay, now if this thing I will do, so I will be free for a week. It was 7:30 in the morning, so it's 7:30 a.m. in the morning, 7:30 a.m. and he had 2.5 hours left before school. Now he had almost 2.5 hours for school. Swaminathan quietly slipped out of the house. Now he just got out of the house. 10 minutes later, he was standing before Dr. Keswan's dispensary. Now he just went to doctor's clinic. Dispensary, you can see the meaning here. A place where medicines are given to people who need them. So he went to Dr. Keswan's clinic. Swaminathan found that the doctor was alone and free and entered. So he found that the doctor was not busy, he was free, he was alone. So he entered his clinic. Hello Swaminathan, what is the matter? Now doctor asked Swaminathan that is something wrong with you? What happened? Why you came here? Doctor, I got to have a doctor's certificate immediately. Now he was like, I need a doctor's certificate.